Hey, how you doing, gentlemen? Wait a minute. I saw you earlier, didn't I? Yeah, what have you guys done since I last talked to you?
Everything.
You haven't done everything. You do Bill and Ted's? What'd you think of Bill and Ted? Yeah? Was it the best 45 minutes of your life? Oh, you. So what do you get? So you've done everything. You're not going home, are you? Go through some mazes. You what? Go through them again. Like, what about what you guys think of Silent Hill? Do you like Silent Hill?
Yeah.
Do you like how not silent at all was it? It's kind of an ironic name, isn't it? It's really noisy, but it's called Silent Hill. What's going on with that? Do you see? Oh, hey, I want you to meet my friend. As I keep saying, this guy will chop your head right off, but he looks good doing it. Look at that, gentlemen. Look at that face. Don't you strive to look like that one day? I mean, that is just handsome. He killed his last girlfriend, so he's recently single. So if you guys know of any ladies, or if you guys... Seriously. You like his wood? You like how he handles his wood? Hey, it's my friend Rainbow. You know, I think we got enough of a crowd. How about we do some clown races, Rainbow? Would you like that? Okay. Who here is an athlete? Who here do you think is a runner? Who's a runner? You, sir? Okay, all right, volunteer. Volunteer number one.
No,
Okay,